Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the mouse pointer is not working on your Windows. So if the mouse pointer on your Windows, just like what I am doing, is not working, then we are going to use the laptop's keyboard in order to fix the issue. So let's go quick into the process. Now we need to locate the Windows key and the letter X together on our keyboard. Again, it's Windows key and letter X together on the keyboard. Now press Windows key and letter X together. Then this window will appear. Now use the down arrow key in your keyboard. Then stop at Device Manager. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. Now this window will appear. You have to use the Tab key. And then use the down arrow key until you are in the mice and other pointing devices. Now, once you are in the mice and other pointing devices, hit the right arrow key. Then use the down arrow key. And we are going to locate the mouse pointer as to where we are having a trouble with or where we are having a problem with. So, what you can do, if this is the mouse driver that you are having a trouble with, then once you are in that, just simply hit enter. Then this window will appear. Now we are going to go to the driver tab. So it has 4 tabs: general tab, driver tab, details tab, and the events tab. We are going to go to the second tab, which is the driver tab. Now we are going to locate the control key and the tab key on your keyboard. So press control key and tab key together. And now we are in the driver tab. Then use the down arrow key, the tab key. Again, use the tab key on your keyboard and then simply scroll down to uninstall device. Now hit enter. Then we are going to hit the tab key until we are in the uninstall option and hit enter. And now we have just uninstalled the mouse driver as to where we are having a problem with or trouble with. So if you're having a problem with the second driver of the mouse or the mouse driver on your Windows, then you need to do the same process. So once this is done, press the Windows key on your keyboard. Then use the tab key. Then the right arrow key and then hit enter. Then use the down arrow key and hit the restart button and hit enter. So once you have restarted your Windows, then that will automatically reinstall the mouse driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows, and that's it. That will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.